Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install the latest Invoices plugin via our company RedmineUP. So it is going to be installed into Redmine 7, which is the very latest stable version of Redmine until the current moment. We're currently in the middle of 2026. And also it is going to be installed on Ubuntu 26.04, which is also the latest Ubuntu. It was released on April. This means 4 here. So it is long-term support operating system. So it is going to be supported a lot of years. Okay, so before starting the guide how to install the Invoices plugin, I would like to let you know that you need to install the Contacts plugin first. So it is required and needed for the Invoices to be able to work. However, just to know that the light free version of the Contacts is enough for this purpose. So you can download it. You can be downloaded anytime from our site. So this is redmineup.com, and here on the plugins section we see CRM download, and this is it. You click here, enter your email, and of course agree with our policy, and you will be sent the light free version of the plugin. So this is it. And when you already install the Contacts plugin, we see in our system we have already got it, then you need to download first your Invoices plugin. I have already done this and it is in my downloads folder, so it is the latest Invoices version of Invoices version. So now I need to open my Linux terminal. Okay, and move to the directory where it has been downloaded. In my case, this is the following folder. So we list to see and double check, and we see that it is already here. Okay, so we now need to copy this file into the Redmine plugins folder. So it is going to be done via the command copy and then the file and then the directory of your Redmine plugins folder. Just to note that this directory is, in my case, I have installed it in this path. However, your directory and path could be different. So you have to double check this before. Okay, we click now. Oh, I forgot sudo. Sorry about that. I insert my password and everything is fine. So, let's go and check and see if we have successfully copied the file by changing the directory to Redmine. Okay, so we see that here it is. This is our Invoices zip file. This is the one that we have already copied now. Good. So we now need to unzip this folder, this zip file into the folder of Redmine Contacts Invoices. So it is going to be done via the command sudo unzip. Okay. So we click enter and see that this rows mean here that this is successfully unzipped. Now we list the files to double check, see that this is the Redmine Contacts Invoices folder and it is successfully unzipped. We could also check this in our files system, so we need to just change the path here. Good. So it is HTML. Sorry about what was the path. Well, I just forgot. Sorry about that. Yeah, it is var www. Oh, yeah. Actually, I'm doing the wrong path. Oh, sorry about this delay. Okay, so it is Redmine. Okay, so we see that our invoices is successfully unzipped here. This is very good. As we no longer need the zip file, we are now going to remove it via a command. As far as I can see, I forgot to remove the checklists zip file, which was from my previous video. So I'm going to remove both of these files. Now we return back to our terminal and execute the command remove. Okay, and the file that we need to remove. So this is the first zip file. Oh, I forgot again the sudo. And the second one is the checklists. Okay, so we see that everything is now clean. We have only folders, not any zip file. Okay, so far so good. So we return back to our terminal, and now it is very important that the next two commands are going to be executed not in the plugins folder, but in the Redmine core folder. This is very often a mistake. So we need to change one directory back via change directory and 2 points, and we are currently now into Redmine. Okay, so we run now sudo bundle install. This command is going to install all the needed gems for installing the Invoices plugin. All right, so I click enter. And now we see that the gems are going to be installed, currently installing. Okay, we wait a couple of seconds. Good. So we see that our gems are successfully being installed. And the next command is the migration the tables. So it is done via sudo bundle exec rake and then Redmine plugins, then name, which is Redmine contacts, invoices. By the way, this name is actually the name of the folder itself. Okay, and also I recommend you to just copy paste the commands from our article, so to just eliminate any mistakes. But if you wish, of course, you could do it by typing in real time like me. All right, so the last one is Rails and production. This means that the Redmine server will be production one. So we hit on enter and see that the tables are being successfully migrated. Good. So there is one last step that needs to be done, and this is restarting of our Redmine. Okay. In your case, it could happen in another way. For example, if you're using virtual machine, you could switch it off and then switch it on. Also, you could restart via touch temporary restart point txt and so on. But in my case, I'm running the Redmine into terminal, start it into this way. So when I close this terminal, it shuts down Redmine. So this is my way of restarting. I shut this down and start again into this window via this command. Okay, I put my sudo password. Oh, there is some problem, I guess. I just opened a new window, a new terminal, and started it again, and it is successfully started now. Okay, so I return back to the browser, and when I click on refresh, you will see that the invoices will come here. Okay, yeah, we see that Invoices has just appeared here. Good. So now you're able to go to administration, then Invoices, and do any configurations that you wish. So yeah, uh, there are, by the way, many articles and videos that are about Invoices features, activating and custom invoice templates, and so on. If you wish, you could check them in our site, the documentation there, or on YouTube. Or if you wish, of course, you could subscribe to our channel on YouTube. And yeah, if you have some questions or any problems, please don't hesitate to contact us at support@redmineup.com, and we're going to help you, of course. So thanks for the patience of watching this video, and see you in the next one. Bye bye for now.